Hello guys, so today we are making an experiment. We have this water filter here and we don't know what is inside. That would be really curious. Can you hear it? It's like some dust or something. Look, there's some water coming out. So let's open it and let's find out what's inside. Or maybe let's be more gentle and let's use something else to open it, right? Like this. Okay, I was just joking. Let's see how it looks like. Where can we open it from? Let's see if there's any clips or glue or something that we can take off. Not really. Or this is glued on top here, the cover. Let's see. I'll take a small chisel. I'll try to open it from here, which is not easy. I'll try to cut like this the merge. Let's see if this helps. Oops. Okay. Maybe now. You see this edge here? Yeah, somewhere now. Okay. We might get something. See it? Okay. Okay. We can already see some things from inside. Which is actually let me just try to open it around, which is actually some sand, some particles, right? Okay. And there is also a small net here. Which looks like this. Yeah, that's very thin. Okay. Good. Now I will take off all the sand. I will put it in this glass and let's see what's at the bottom of the filter. So I took out all the sand here in this glass. And now let's continue digging, because there is something more at the bottom. Looks like there are two windows, two small plastic filters, but the question is, it's only the housing or there is something else? Let's see. And looks like there's nothing. It's only the housing that has some tiny holes in shape of a filter, and that's it. There's no extra filter in there. So what's in a water filter? Only this sand, most probably mixed with some other artificial components or granules like carbon or graphite or something else that is filtering the water, but nothing more than that. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will hit the subscribe button to follow my upcoming videos. Cheers and stay safe!